What's up, guys? This is Brian with SLG Concrete Coatings. We're here at the Cottage Inn by the sea, redoing some pool deck action. It's pretty rough, but yet it's been there for a while. These guys want a fresh look, so we're gonna give it to them. So the guys are already getting started. We're gonna go check this out. It's gonna be awesome. We're also featuring one of our new colors, pumice, for this project. And yeah, when it's done, it's gonna look amazing. So check out the footage and yeah.